Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from ITALERI. This is the M998 HMMWV Desert Patrol version. So you can see here, this is still actually in the original shrink wrap, distributed by the Testor Corporation. And here, 1/35th scale. This is kit number 249. Another language description there, and you can see the illustration on the front cover there. If we continue on the edges, you can see there are some sales stickers, similar information there. More information, other languages, barcode, and this is from 1994. See here, made in Italy. And then the other flap there. If we look on the back of the box, we can see pictures of other kits in the series. If we go ahead and open this, it's a pretty tight pack, so hopefully we can get this back in the box later. Okay, that's it. So you can see here, I already isolated the decals. Here are the clear pieces for windows, lights. Some important information in other languages. And then the parts trees. You can see there the level of detail. There's your frame right there. The wheels. So not rubberized wheels, but just regular sprue cast wheels there. And then some of the larger body panels. Kind of interesting, that mark there. I do believe that might be where you can locate some of the material storage on top. Let's go ahead and take a look at the instructions. It is one large fold out. So looks like a photo of a finished version of the model, but in black and white. And some more information in other languages. Diagram of the parts trees. More information in other languages. Paint suggestions. Photo of underneath. And then the instructions. So no text, just parts and letters. Give you an idea on how to assemble it. Continuing till you get to the paint guide. So taking a very quick look at the ITALERI M998 HMMWV Desert Patrol version. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We used to do show and tell videos as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.